Traders, we're looking at gold. Okay, there's a few things about this. 4-hour time frame. Just run it out to a daily quickly and we'll have a look at it. Okay, so we've traded into all-time highs. Look at this price swing from this balance area low to the high. Okay, that's quite a rally, and I'm always looking for, in a trend, so this is bullish, I'm always looking for the swing low to swing high, Fibonacci retrace down into, see this blue zone, 61.8786, or at least the 50%. So below the 50% here, this is discounted price. This is a discounted price zone. We've got a premium price up in here at the moment. So do you want to be buying at a premium or do you want to be buying at a discount? All right, now market's always looking for a couple of things. It's looking for liquidity. So have a look at this trend or this run. There's a stack of sell stops resting under. I'll just call it that. Sell stops under here. Let me just do that. In other words, liquidity. You know, you could even put in a couple of dollar signs in there. Sell stop, liquidity, all through here, under here, under here. So my question is smart money going to be looking to take out these sell stops to enable them to pair their orders to go long? And, you know, we also have on the 4-hour time frame and the daily. So we've got, this is a daily and a 4-hour imbalance. So the market's looking to rebalance and it's looking for liquidity. So I'm just wondering whether we see further downside with this. I'm always looking at the market from that perspective. Where is there liquidity that could be targeted, and where is there an imbalance that's begging to be traded through, looking to rebalance? At the moment, we've got this range, shallow pullback on the fib. You know, but I'm really interested in a buy down around the 61.8. That would be my buy zone down in here. So do we counter trend trade short this? You know, I really prefer not to counter trend trade it. It's bullish on the higher time frame. So I'm always looking for the pullback into a discount where I can get long, for example, in this case. Now, if you wanted to counter trend trade it, enter at your own risk, guys. It's a much higher risk trade. Think of it this way. When any instrument is trending, right? Here we go. We'll just do this. There's a trend, and then we get a bit of a retrace. The retrace we could consider 50% of each price swing in the move, right? Something like that. Even a more shallow pullback. So you know, you really want to be jumping in and running with the trend, taking advantage of that. Now, counter trend trading this, see the risk? Okay, there's really not much of an opportunity. I mean, you do get it, but it's much more of an advantage to be trending or trading with the trend, I should say. Just a quick diversion into a 15-minute chart. We're still looking at gold. I wanted to show you how you can navigate the volatility and trade with a fairly high success rate. This is a 15-minute chart, and we're going to take these signals here. When that signal fires, we look for the retrace into 50% of the previous price swing and we short it. And we short it based on this red signal backed up by our indicator down here, red. And we can see 3 out of 5 of these are red. If we see this solid bar red, we take the trade. So that's a trade here, short. We've got another breakout signal here. Okay, we take the retrace short based on the fact that we've got these bars under. And you can gain access to our indicators, 30 days free trial. Here's another signal here. Okay, we look for the retrace. There's the retrace, enter short, look at the outcome. Why would you not want these opportunities completely free for 30 days? There's the signal, we look for the pullback, there's the pullback. And then we had another signal up in here. There's the signal and we wait for the pullback. You can actually set sell limit orders. Okay, once you see these signals fire over here in the alerts, look at these opportunities. We just click on these, come in, everything lines up, we take the trade. And we just set these as sell limit orders and leave them sit in the, on your MT4 or Tradingview, wherever you're trading. I've done a lot of videos on this. You can gain access to the indicators, our VIP, our tutorials. Head over to tradingwithanthony.com and you'll find everything there. So let's get back into our analysis. Now here's the thing with this, if you want to trade it short, okay, that's feasible, but just be aware that you could get taken out very easily. For me, if I'm going to short this, I'm going to be looking for a breakout of this range. We're kind of getting it. We've got this break retest, okay, higher low, not so keen on that. Lower low, lower high. I'd probably want to, yeah, look, I'm still uncomfortable with it, but you always want to go for, I mean, look, you could short it at the current level. This retrace here is a feasible entry point, but again, understand the risk, and you're going to go with stop above, say, that high there, and you're going to target. Well, there's a 2.36R target. So that's an idea for a short. Understand the risk, guys. This could rotate and trade north very, very easily. So that's one idea. Counter trend short, going for the retrace. Now, I'm more inclined to look for a buy opportunity down in here. And again, I'm a trend continuation trader. My entry point is going to be, we'll grab a buy. I'd like to see it hit the 61.8. We've got these two imbalances. I mean, even a deeper pullback. Have a look at it on the daily. Yeah, guys, where's this potentially going to go? I mean, here we go. Look, we got this high here. You want to look for where you see some sort of a balance area. Where there's congestion, where there's, been a fair bit of business done. So down in these levels here is a feasible level for a strong support, I would imagine. I would set up a buy down around the 61.8 fib, maybe even lower, around here somewhere. I'm okay with that. So that could be a pending, like a limit buy. And I'd go for a minimum 2R. Well, where do you want to go with that? Go under this balance area, and then, you look for this 1.6R. I mean, this would be definitely a target. So there's 1.6R here, and, you could look for further upside if you wanted to. If this works out, you get an entry, and this heads north, pull your stop loss up to break even very quickly, and then look for this target here, target number 2. So there's target 1 if that retraces. Okay, so there's a couple of ideas, guys. Counter trend short, I would give it 60% outcome, and this one down here, I'm giving it 70 to 80% success rate. Okay, that's my take on gold. I hope you have a great day. Safe trading, and we'll see you in the next one.